Now let's plate this up. We have it sliced. Usually getting the first slice out of the cake is the hardest. You don't want to break the slice. So what I'm going to do is just re-slice where I sliced before, just to loosen this up. Dipping, wiping, slicing. Okay, with our palette knife. We'll get underneath that, bring it out. Wow, look at that. Now you can see some of the caramelization. Okay, you can see some of the marbling of the caramel cheesecake and the regular cheesecake in there. Your nice Oreo crust, chocolate fondant top with the caramel glaze and walnuts. It's a beautiful thing. So we will plate a few of these up and have a taste. And that is the world's best cheesecake. For $15, you can't go wrong. Serve this to your family and friends on a special occasion, on a holiday. They won't stop talking about it. The only problem is you'll have to do this every time. Okay, now we're going to test the cheesecake out on my good friend Grace Fraga, who's also a stand-up comedian who's worked out here at the Ice House Comedy Club on various occasions. There you go, Grace. Turtle cheesecake. How are you doing? I'm great.
Oh my! This is my favorite dessert. How did you know?
I know these things.
You genius.
Actually, cheesecake is everyone's favorite dessert.
Really?
Yeah.
Everybody orders it?
Everybody.
Like how? What is the percentage?
The percentage, it's high. I know once someone tries these cheesecakes, or cheesecake in general, they always come back for more. So.
Yeah, once you go cheesecake, you know how they say, yeah.
Let's have some.
Oh, my God. Mm-mm.
The thing I like about this particular recipe, it's not too sweet. I don't add too much sugar. It's not overpowering. You get to taste all the flavors. You enjoy the chocolate, the caramel, the walnuts.
You have no idea. This is amazing. The flavors are just like, oh, my God. And you just made this. So it's fresh. And it's just so soft, and oh my God, this is delicious.